guys, welcome to my channel Dev Online. Today we are going to create this awesome our team members. If you can see here a beautiful hover effect and also on the text, contact information, name, designation, and also social links, social media links, which is who have a different colors come up show. If you can see here, so we are going to create this our team member cards. Before we going to code, please subscribe my channel for more videos. So let's get start to code. Basically, I have here created already. So let me remove this all code and also remove from HTML, and we can start again. Basically, and here is I have just image which we going to use in this project. So like these images. Now in the index HTML, first what we need is a HTML basic structure, and also we are going to import the Bootstrap CDN copy. So Bootstrap link, and also we need a link for the script or the Bootstrap script. Now we also need font awesome, the font awesome CDN link. So here I just opened before fontawesome.com, and I'm going to start free using, and you can find here this is the CDN, you can copy from here. And after this we also need to link our custom style CSS file, so style sheet relative and href which have style CSS. So this is our basic structure of a file. Now we have to create our first image block. So in the body section, we are going to create one section. In this section, I'm calling for the background just a big gray color background. So which is I will be giving a color in the style CSS sheet. In this section, we have to create first container. In the container, after container, I'm going to create a one header tag in the header, and also give them a class. Class have text center because we need the text is in the center. And the text center, I'm going to give him h2 heading tag, and here I'm writing over, and after this I'm calling the span, and the span I'm class say text heading, and then I'm writing team member. So this is our heading. After heading, so let's first check out this, and you can see here our team come in the text of the center. After this we have to create one row, the class row. In the row we have to create a div class column mid, or you can say large 4, mid 4. This depend on your, but I'm going to create just 3 columns, which is we have to. In this column I have to create one like you can say a wrapper for the images. So I'm calling class team, and then I'm going margin bottom 5, and also I'm giving margin bottom large 0. And this team have section, we have to create one div for the class of image, and this div we have to define one image, and the image source we have basically in the image folder. In the major folder I'm giving him the agent number 1. We have alt for this, I'm calling him Richard, and then we have class, I'm just giving him class image fluid, which image fluid for the width of the image, whatever the width of the column, so it will be automatically 100% of width count. So let's check again how it looks like. If you can see, here is the image came. So now first of all, let's go and in the style CSS we create a basic background. What it should like the basic background. So the big gray call, so we say bg gray, and this I'm saying height basically should be 100 vh, like view height, and bg gray color, so which the gray color have the background. Basically I was completely did its background color. So basically the background is FF. FFF is so good. Okay, this man. It's called the FFF is white. Basically I forgot what is the number. I think it's a 2A2A2A, and it should be the gray color of this. So let's check it out. How yes, is now showing the image. Now we have the second is H2, which is text centered. So the H2 tag we can call them H2 simply. You can call also like BG gray and H2, and here you can say color basically white. Padding, I'm going to padding, giving him the padding, basically padding from the top, padding top 5%, and bottom also margin, I'm going to give a margin bottom 5%. So now let's see how much you can see here once our team is come in the white color. We need the team, the span element, the text heading one, this is the team in the blue color. So let's the text heading, so we call dot bg gray have text heading, and its color should be 5989, so it should be like hash 5989 589 E5. This is the color of blue I'm using here. So basically now you can see that our team color came like this. Let's go to the index HTML file. In the index HTML file we create image. After the image, and in the image box, basically in the image box we have to create an order list. So the unordered list have a class, sum of class we need to define here instead of we defining in the style CSS. So I'm just saying first class is have a contact info, and also I'm going to give him class like a list is unstyled. Here I'm going to give him unstyled, and margin bottom is 0. So we create unordered list. Now in the list have items, list item, and have a tag. In the a tag we have a href, basically the link, whichever you link wanna give to them. And after the href we have to define basically it's for the font awesome icon. So I'm going to first icon, the icon have an envelope like an email. So the class have a FAR far and far. Basically I remember, that's why I'm doing this. And envelope, yeah, it's an envelope, and it's close. And after this we have to give him like Richard. So Richard @example.com. So basically that's his email address. And the next list item, so basically here we going to the list item, another list item in which have a tag, and the a tag the same have href, which is I'm not giving any link here. You guys, whatever is your links you can provide to link here. So for this have a mobile, so basically I have a pay for first for mobile and ART. This is the font awesome have section. On here we're gonna give them a phone number, which is you guys can give any phone number, like I'm just giving a demo phone number. So this is our contact section. So now you can see here when we give contact section, so you can see here the link is coming like this. I'm showing you step by step how we going to do this. After this, the image card, so this is basically the image section. The image section, after the image section, inside in the theme wrapper, we have to give him the another section of heading, his name, title, and also like information. We have to what's his designation and this. So this class I'm giving to the info because it's have an info section, and in this have a tag. Basically we need to give him a tag. So basically whenever it's in came, so it's basically is for the next page. If you want to a tag give him or give him. I have class, so no anchor style. I'm going to just go no anchor style, just regular text. Should be h4 heading for the name of class. I'm giving the text thin. Basically h4 have a little bigger in this section comes, so I will be giving a class. And also we have a text, basically text uppercase. I'm using here uppercase class for the text uppercase instead of we going to use in the style CSS. You can use in the style CSS also if you want. So I'm giving her the name of Richard Wood, and also we have his designation. So in the designation we have a P and have a class. We have class margin bottom 0 basically, and here we can say web designer. So web designer, I'm gonna just use the web designer. So this is our information. You can see here Richard, and the P is coming in the blank folder, which is we will be later is change it. After this other section we have, let me show you again the demo here. So after this we have a section of social icon. So we're going to create now the social icon. So the social icon items here, which is we have we're going to create an order list. Basically in the list we're gonna come, and also we give him a class that's a class name, basically team. We call team social because it's a team have a social link. So list, we give him a class list inline, basically also list inline, and deflex column. It's called a deflex column, and also we have to justify content center or between. You can say between will be the most important goods, and align items center. So this is for the unordered list we created here. Basically this is also the best way to do it like that, where instead of in the style CSS you'll write it all the items that you want to see inline list, inline item. Here I provide her. This is also the good way to do it like that. And the list item we have an anchor tag, and the anchor tag have href basically, and here is we're gonna give him the information about the link, and the a tag we have a icon. So the icon have a fab for Facebook, and now I'm going to just for this purpose the list item going copy, and we can change several times. So the fab, and also we have a Twitter here, and another one we have Twitter and LinkedIn LinkedIn. Now we have Pinterest. So web for Pinterest. Pinterest. After this we have Instagram. So I'm gonna again copy here and write in the just the icon name is gonna be change Instagram. So let's check it out. All icons are works or not. So you can see here all icons come up in the line. So our card is created. One card is created. So for the less takes time, I'm just going to copy this column. Yeah, so basically copy this column, copy and paste it again, and you can see here another column create, and after this I'm to three times, so 3 times came. Now we just have to change the contact information, name and images. So let's go in the second one. So here is my name, giving the image change is Richard, we can say Johnson name, and here is in the example called Johnson. No need to be change this, and okay, here is name, so Johnson name, and he should be web developer, and this is social icon. We don't have a link, so no need to change it. And this is number 3rd picture, and she is what's her name, so we can check it out, Ashley William. So basically Ashley William, and the email Ashley William, and also hidden phone number, no need to change it because it's a dummy phone number. Ashley William, and she's a content writer, content, let me check it out, content writer. I'm sorry guys, I have and there is our have a links. So let's check again. So like you can see here what's going on. Now let's go in the style CSS basically, and the style CSS we have to step by step need to do it. So we already did the text heading. Now we call the team section. So here is the team section. Let me show you. This is a column start, and there's a team section. So the first of all we going to start from the team section. Sorry, is have a dot team, and the team have, we're gonna create a box shadow. There is one thing more I'm gonna show you now. Basically 0 pixel, just have little bit second, 0 pixel, because this box shadow only work on the Chrome, on the Safari. We have the Internet Excel also we have to create for this. So box shadow 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 16 pixel and 0 pixel, and also we have to give him a color. So RGBA color I'm going to use it here, which is 0 0 0 0 0 0. It's basically like a black, but we have to give him some alpha configuration. That's gonna be a little bit change. And the same thing, the box shadow, if you want to use in the another browser, so you can say minus WebKit like this, minus WebKit, and then again like this, and you can post the same code on the box shadow. So with another browser like Internet Explorer or another has work. Now we going to give the background of the team card. So here's the background of the team card. It should be the color of 333. And position, we're gonna give him relative, and after this z-index -1, sorry, not -1, only 1. So this is our theme card. Let me show you the so now you can see here the card color is changed instead of the background. After this, we have to take care about the image size. So we can say the theme, and the theme have an image. We give him class on the box of image. So we're going to height basically 250 pixel. I'm going to create 200 pixel, and position have relative, and also overflow hidden. I'm going to show you now overflow hidden also, and then I will be removed, you can see it. So overflow hidden, so basically the overflow when it's called hidden, so you can see here the second item, the contact info, the email and the phone number is hidden now. If we remove this overflow, and you can see here again come, and the another thing is because the heights come up, so is change again. So let's redo it, overflow. So now we already change the size of image. Now we create the box for the contact info for this one. So what we're going to do is have a theme, and the theme have before section we're going to create like the before one, and we say content we have empty string, and then we're gonna call width. What should be in the width? You can call by like 100% like this, and also you can use the calculation function. So basically this is the function of calculation, 100%, and then you can plus whatever you want it. Basically I'm giving here height like this 8 pixel plus with the width of it. So also we need height too. Height the same configuration of this 100% plus 8 pixel. After this we need to give him some position where it's gonna come, so we have to call absolute position, and then top 4 pixel, right side -4 pixel. I need to give him my top basically -4 pixel. It's going to by upside, not by the downside. Okay, so right inverse. Now we have the background. What should be the background of this? So background basically none, because in the before section when we hover it, so we're gonna give him a background of this. So now we can call display. The display should be in the block. Sorry, I'm gonna. Now we have to call the border. So when it's come on the border, so the border position should be 4 pixel, and solid and transparent. Transparent, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be looks like basically. And the Z index, we told them -1. Now at the end we have to give him transition all 0.4s. Sorry, it's a point. Oh my gosh. The same thing if you want to use for the Internet Explorer, you can minus WebKit, and then transition write it. It should be work over there. So now it will be never affect nothing, but you cannot see now the transparent border, but it will be soon you're gonna see. Okay, after this we have to create this before section have a hover effect. So theme have hover, and then before basically. So whenever we hover on it, so what should be the border color? So now you guys can see the border color, which we going to the border color of the hover. So is the upper side color, which we have defined already here, that one, the blue color. So the border color is we already described in the border of the transparent. So now we give him the border color. So now you can see here the border color is coming here. Okay. Next, now we need the information. So if you can see here, let me take you in the car. This is our information, like the Johnson and web, what's his name, web developer, or what's his name. So let's go and create this now. Team have info. This is basically the info section. Let me show you again the class info for this Johnson and web developer. So the info, we have to give him some padding. First of all, padding. So for the padding, I'm giving him a 30 pixel. Okay, should become little go down. So if you can see now, now it's come up little down. Now we have a p tag in the info also for the designation. Basically, team, and we can say info. Oh yes, info and p. So basically the p have color, so we need to define about the color of this p, and it should be 9999. It's little light gray color, and the font weight we have to describe for this, get little bit show ups too. So we're gonna give him 300 font weight, and also font size. So font size 0.9 rem basically. Let's see, check it out. So now you can see here, you can see here in the, okay, after this we have to create the contact info form. The contact info, here is the contact info, where it should go, info, and after info have, there is this one, the contact info, which we already create, sorry. So let's see, team have dot contact slash info. We have to give them some background, sorry, text space count. So background, and the background is we're going by RGBA, basically 00 RGBA. So it was color of 89, 137, 229, and 0.95. Basically whenever you guys creating, so you already have to give him some kind of write the color. It will be easy for you when you write the color for you. Give him some padding for this, 20 pixel and 30 pixel. Look, slowly I'm going to change it. Okay, what's going to happen on this? 20 pixel and 30 pixel, and also position absolute. It will be never show like this. So also let me create the team hover, so I can show you, okay, whenever I'm going to hover on it, so what can happen on the contact info. So you guys can see whenever I'm writing the style CSS, it can be changed for you. So the opacity 1, I'm going to do the opacity 1, and the transform none. So let me refresh it. So now just the border come on the upside. I don't know what's wrong with here. The border color, and the border should be border color, and the border construct start transparent calculation 8 pixel height width. Seem like everything perfect. Okay, let's see. Absolute. So right 0%, We have bottom here, which is also 0%. We have width, we need to give them some width, 100%. You can see here, which is, you can guys can see that now you can see with 100%. One is for, and also transform we have to do is transform and translate. Basically we need to give them some y affection. In the y we have tell them 100% y affection, and then opacity 0. When we tell them opacity 0, so it will be never show like this. When you now look, see, opacity 0 is go. Now when we hover, so it's come up. When we hover, it's come up. After opacity we have transition effect. Basically we need to give them some transition, and the transition we have all 0.5 sec. So now you guys can again see slowly come up. I need to see what's going on wrong with the border. Basically in the before section, when I create the border, it should be width, top and right. I think I never give him the left and top right, display block, height, content, the before section, width and height I give him. Okay, let's first of all we have to change the other things. Now we have a list item in the contact information. This is the list item. We may have an envelope section, and there is that one. So we have to define this team. In the team have contact info. Basically contact info. Have a list item. First we want to create list item. We need to give him some padding. So padding have 5 pixel and 0 pixel. And now we have to create team contact like a tag, which is the basically have a team dot contact info and then a tag. And the a tag font size we have to define. Give him icon have a font size and 9 gram. Color we have to give him color like 3F white, and font weight. So font weight have 300. Let's see what's changing going to effect. Now you can see in the font scheme. If we can see here, we don't have the envelope one. The envelope icon should not going to work. So what's wrong with it? And we can see, I think maybe I found the wrong icon number. So let me show find in the envelope in the font awesome. And here we can give him this one. So we can copy again and paste it. So I think this was not bad. So here is basically for envelope, and here is also have envelope Facebook. And the second one envelope, and the first one also we have envelope. Okay, now you guys can see. Now it's came envelope. I was just missed it. So now we have to give him some padding and margin effect here. That is looks like good. So let's go and give him some margin. So, and also we can give him some. So team contact info have a sorry, A, and the A have a I tag. So basically the I tag is icon. So icon, we need to give him width 30 pixel, height 30 pixel, and also we have to line height define. Line height is 30 pixel. Then we have a background. Background should be FF, and then have a color. So the color, basically we have the color, the 59, the blue color, not this one, sorry, 5958. Where goes the color? That's the color name. Color is this, text align. Text align center. Border, we have to give him some border, 1 pixel, solid, white color border. And then we have some margin, we need to edit. Margin on the right side, basically the margin right side, I'm going to give a margin 10 pixel. Now we have to give him some border reset because this need to be round, so 50% or 50%, yeah, 50%. You can give him border radius and font size. Now we need to define some font size for this. How much should be the long one of the icon? And now at the end we have to give him some transition effect on this. So all have a 0.3 as second. Now let's check it out again, and you can see here the beautiful round came, and this is should like that. Let's go to the section now. When we hover on the text, you can see here the text is not changing the color, so we should give him some color effect. So we can search team dot contact info and dot a tag, and add the a tag when we a tag hover, not the icon, this is the a tag. So we first of all we say text decoration none, but it's okay. We say color should be, I'm going to say black. We can tell them to turn out the black. So now you can see it's come up on the black color. After this, what we have, so this section is done. Now we have section of info about this text thin class we defined for the ritual board. So you can see it's so much bigger showing. So let's create come here, and we can say the team have text thin property we call to the class text thin, and the color we should have to also define is it was in the white color, so it's giving the white color. And text decoration we call also text decoration none, and also we have to give him some font size because it is a little bigger. So the font size is 20 pixel. Now you guys can see the font size is a little smaller. Okay, now we have the team social one, the social icons. So the team have dot social, team social, sorry, it's called the team social. We define the team social name of the class. I can show you again here. If you can see here, there is a UL class team social. So the team social, we need to define some font size for this. So we can say font size, and I'm giving some 20 pixel. We have to give him some padding. The padding 20 to 30 pixel because down and left you can say. And now we have to give him background because it's changed the background from the original card. So it's have a 3838 and 38. That's his background. So now you will be see here Now you can see images came on the blue color and pretty awesome, good effect. I know we have a problem with this border, why is not coming, but I will be, first let me complete this, then I will be found where is we are going to wrong this. Now we need to define the color of the team social icon. So we have team and team social, and the team social have a tag basically, so the a tag, and we have found the color. So the color is for the this is 999. Now you will see will be a little light gray color, so it will be showing very beautiful. But now we have to find a hover effect for here. So we can say team dot team social dot team social, and then a, and then hover effect. So when the hover effect, so the color should be in the blue effect of color which we was provided this. Now you can see it is in the blue color. Now I'm going to check it out what's wrong with this border here, so I can check it out what's wrong with it. So basically it's a problem of let's see what's going on here. Basically width and height is okay, but oh, this plus should be before this. Now we can check. Now you can see it's perfectly came in the border. If we go again with this, if you can see now I remove the space here and we call it, so you can see here it's a minor have typing effect, and you will be confused what's wrong with my code. I coded right perfectly, but why is not working? So remember this whenever you guys writing, so be careful, right? I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any question, please comments below in the comment section. I will be reply you as I expect I have time to do. Enjoy guys, see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.